Industry Analyst. Welcome to Vayalil Capital, the financial superstore market updates. In a highly volatile session, the benchmark indices ends in the regional gains on September 30th and supported by the FMCG and IT stocks. At the close, the Sensex was 94.71 points or 0.25% at 38,067.93 and the Nifty was up 25.10 points or 0.22% at 11,247.50. About 1,196 shares have advanced and 1,370 shares declined and 151 shares are unchanged. Grasim Industries, the Titan company, the tech Mahindra, Nestle and Dr. Reddys labs were among the major gainers on the Nifty, while losers included BPCL, Bharti Airtel, Tata Steel, JSW and IndusInd Bank. Mixed trends some among the sectoral indices with FMCG, IT and pharma ended in the green, while metal, energy sectors finished lower. Sensex went up by 94.71 at 38,067.93 and Nifty 50 went up by 25.15 at 11,247.5. Bank Nifty went up by 40.50 at 21,451.80 and Nifty Mid Cap 100 went up by 9.45 at 16,983.05 and Nifty Small Cap 100 went down by 16.45 at 5,822.95. British pound trading at rupees 94.52 and US dollar trading at rupees 73.76 and Brent crude trading at $40.49 and gold MX 10 gram trading at rupees 50,375 and the silver 1 lot trading at 60,730. Market tested major support at 200 DMA on Nifty and NSE500 and rebounded from over the few sessions. This rally has been supported by the return of the net buy flows from domestic institutional investors after a gap of nearly 2 months. Green backdrop of elevated deduction from the domestic mutual funds over the last few months. This flow environment speaks to ebbing of redemptions, reserves and related to large caps, small caps and mid caps have shown strong resistance and their market breadth is currently near to 1.5 year high, while the bounce of the border indices from 200 DMA mirage behavior seen at a June 20th and the market breadth is much stronger currently. Among the sector indices, FMCG index displays the bullish sign, having a reclaimed its 200 DMA after a drop into oversold territories. Index closed the day on flattish note for second consecutive day at 11,226 and formed a dodgy candle pattern daily chart limiting uncertainty in the markets. Index has strong resistance near 11,300 zone. Any break above said 11 can activate good momentum which can push index to meet the huddle zone of overall index. Many traders consolidated and the range would be 11,200 to 11,300 zone. Nifty Bank also closed the day on flat note at 21,450. Supports are placed at 21,170 to 21,000 zone and the resistance is coming near 21,700 to 22,000 zone. As expected, the benchmark indices remains volatile throughout the day, fluctuating between the losses and gains before finally ending the day flat. Global cues with a mostly negative following certain over the outcomes of US presidential election and also the branches of the rising viruses causes around the world, and traders advise the countries as markets are expected to remain volatile sessions. The benchmark indices ended with the magical gains on September 30th and supported by the FMCG and IT stocks. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon.